This time talking about the expanding bolt and assembling the poles. So you can see when the expander is at the top of its thread, it's in its thin mode, and as you twist it down the thread, it opens wide at the bottom and at the top, so the whole thing is going to be pushing against the shaft above it. So we set off when you're going to assemble at its thin mode. You're putting it as a direct alignment right at the top, so the push is going to be in a direct alignment, not out at an angle. You look for the A mark on this lower shaft section. It's there because we want to have it as this bottom end as light as it can at the bottom end of the section, so it's going to be trying to get the weight of the pole high up as it can be on this section. So you've put the A mark there, you put your thumb on that line, grip hard with the left hand, and with the right hand you're twisting it away from you. Steady, firm turns, and then when you feel it bite, one more turn, firm turn, and that should be set. Next one, same thing, get it into its thin mode, direct alignment, push down as far as you need. For your personalised height, put your thumb on there, steady firm turns away from you with that right hand. I'm using the EVA sleeve to give a better grip, an extra turn when you feel it bite, and then it's ready to go. And before you are going to set off, you're going to be putting it on the ground, you're going to be leaning against it to make sure that it is locked and everything is fine before you go on your way. Just one more thing about the expander, and it's quite useful perhaps once every 4 or 5 months just to take all the expanders and make them go from the top of their thread right the way down to the bottom, open wide, up to the top again. Just do this a few times just to remind the expander what it's got to do, so it's gone from its extremes right the way up and down the thread. So it's quite a useful thing to do.